Hola,
Hola!
and welcome to the channel Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. Today we're in Lamata. It's a lovely sunny day and it's the end of April.
End of April?
It's the end of April.
So it'll be the 1st of May tomorrow, and my mum used to say to me, "Ne'er cast a clout till May is out." You know what that means?
What does that mean?
Well, you know, from Yorkshire, aren't you?
Yeah.
It means
Tell them.
you don't take your coat off until May's out. This is in the UK, obviously not in Spain. In UK, you don't take your coat off until end of May, and then it should be all right.
I keep mine on until end of June.
Do you? Well, that's the UK for you.
In the UK.
But here we are in Lamata, and it's absolutely beautiful. What temperature today, do you think?
About 25.
Did you say that before?
No.
No, it's 25 degrees. It's lovely and warm. It's a lovely warm wind as well. It's a little bit windy, but it's nice. It's a nice warm wind.
The beach is very busy.
It is. What we're going to do, we've come to Lamata because we wanted to show you the square as it is now. And in 2 years' time, maybe or longer, I don't know how long it's going to take, but tenders are in for, not tenders are going out for this square to be redeveloped. And all the plans have been ratified by the council. And they know exactly what they want to do with it. 126 car parking spaces. Is it 4,500 square metres of space? So they know what they're doing with it, but they haven't done it yet, and it's not gone out for tender yet, I don't think.
3,800 square metres of parking.
Yeah. So,
126 parking spaces.
yeah, and that's right in the centre of this square. We'll show you the square.
Underground.
Underground. Let's have a look. We'll just move forward. Are you ready? So as you can see where we are by the Torre La Mata tower. It's quite busy on the cafe front today. We've just had a nice coffee at the Lebanese restaurant at the end there.
And shall we say a shout out to?
Yes.
Shall we say a shout out to Jan and Annette?
Jan and Annette, we've just met them, and they're from, where are they from?
Cleckheaton.
They're from Cleckers.
But they're living in Casada.
Yeah, live in Casada now. They've been here for 7 years, did they say?
Yeah,
So-
7 to 8 years.
And they're very happy here, which is brilliant. So yeah, a really good surprise to see somebody from our hometown. Anyway, this is the square. You know, it doesn't seem that long ago since they actually did this square and retiled it. Do you remember?
I remember.
But they've decided to make it. I think the problem with Lamata is.
Oh, we've got the bells.
Church bells, listen to those. Is it 3 o'clock?
Quarter to.
Oh, quarter.
Are we going to get 3 chimes?
We will at 3 o'clock. You see what sort of big open space this is? And they're going to turn it into a car park. Because the problem with Lamata is there's not a great deal of parking. It's all on-street parking, and in summer, people come here and they can't park anywhere. So that's a problem. So they decided to make this into a underground car park, so we'll still get the space on top. They're going to redevelop all this site. They're going to refurnish it. They're going to have a kids' play area, which I think, I mean, the kids' play area now is just there in the corner.
It's not very big though, is it? So they might make it a bit bigger.
They might make it a bit bigger, a bit more interesting.
Yeah.
But it's a lovely place, isn't it? I like the big
yeah.
open space, but it does seem to be a waste of space in some ways.
Yeah. They're going to plant a lot more trees, aren't they, and seating areas.
Yeah, it should look a lot nicer than it does now, hopefully.
And it's a lovely position, just overlooking the sea.
Yeah, beautiful. So there we are, we'll just go to the other end. This new building they've put up in the corner. And then they've redone all the boardwalk. That's all been renewed. It was all old wooden planks that have been changed now. It looks like some sort of plastic materials they're using. So yeah, that's all changed. And I think there we are. We'll leave it there, I think, now that you've seen it. And on that note, I think it's time to just wrap up the 360 video. If it's a 360 and you're watching it on your on YouTube, you'll be fine. You'll be able to move about and change the screen. But if you're watching it on your Virgin box or your Sky box, it won't work as a 360. So bear that in mind. You've got to watch it on YouTube, and then you'll be able to manipulate the image and go around. We're using your finger on your phone. On your phone's fine as well, direct on YouTube, or on your laptop, direct on YouTube, you could use your mouse to move around. You get the idea. So on that note, we'll say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And we'll see you later.
See you later.